Hello and welcome to a new video, guys. In today's video I'm going to show you how to bypass originality AI detection tool with 100% accuracy and performance. So without further ado, I'm presenting to you Rewrite Genius AI and our new module, which is bypass originality AI and AI detection. So besides working with originality, this will also work with any other AI detection tools, and if it doesn't, please let me know. I'm gonna fix it that way. So I'm going to show you how this is going to work. Come into our dashboard, and if you got no credits, you are going to be given some for free to try the tool out. And if you liked it, you can just go and get yourself credits from here. Very simple, or a lifetime version, of course. And let's go. Let's go to ChatGPT and let's not test it with this. Let's go with this. Write me 2 paragraphs on what is SEO, for example. Something technical, right? Something that originality doesn't have an issue in detecting. And again, I just call this detecting because it can really detect. But I'm not gonna go into that now. Let's just test it out. 100% AI, cool. So let's put it in Genius and press bypass AI detection. This is not gonna take very long. This is pretty fast. And there you go. You're gonna copy this. It's the same text, don't worry about it. Gonna put it in here and scan now. 94% AI original content from 100% AI detected content. So if that doesn't tell you anything, then I don't know what is. So I also had more stuff. So write me a short article on how to train a dog. I am really out of inspiration, guys, but you can definitely turn this into something much more better and faster. You just simply need to come in here, bypass originality, AI detection, paste the content in, press the button bypass AI detection, and copy your output and just paste it on your blog, or I don't know, YouTube content, whatever you want to create. It's really up to you. So we will have right now this short article that it's 100% AI detected from what I know. So we will check this for plagiarism. So for AI detection, as you can see, and you don't need to clear that. It's going to automatically clear the moment we have content. So let's see. Rewritten, so you can see even more words, quality words, of course. And for some reason I can't replace this anymore, so let's just go 100% original content, guys. This is it. This is how you 100% bypass originality with not a single issue. Just get content from ChatGPT, paste it in, get your 100% free and original content, and time to do business. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. This was a really fast explanation and I hope you understood. Come on, try it yourself. It's free. And till the next time.